Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi friends, welcome back to my IGTV. I wanted to do today we're doing a little hair tutorial. That's why my hair is wet and I have no makeup on. I'm trying out a different lens than I normally use to film videos with so that we're a little farther away, because I felt like on my last tutorial here on IGTV I was like really close. So we're just mixing it up. Let me know if you like this better or worse or what you're thinking. Hopefully I'm in focus. I'll find out when I start editing. I have a lot of hair and people ask me a lot how I style it, and if you've been following me a while, you know that I don't wash my hair every day. I wash it a lot less than every day. I typically wash my hair about once a week unless I have something going on where I need it to look on point. And one of my friends posted a video where she talked about being on like day 5 hair and people like crucified her online. So if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all, because your girl don't got time for haters, okay? One thing I will say is just because I don't wash my hair doesn't mean I don't shower. I think a lot of people have that misconception, but there's a lot of people that wash their hair less than once a week, okay? Especially really dry curly hair, you don't need to wash it that often. You know who convinced us to start washing our hair every day? Freaking shampoo companies. That's why people do it. Just like shaving their legs. Razors were marketed to women, so they wanted to figure out how to market razors to women, so they were like, they should shave their legs. And that's how that started. Anyway, I digress. I washed my hair about an hour ago and I like to let it kind of air dry for a little bit. And then this is my routine, okay? So keep watching if you want to see what I do with my hair. So I'm still pretty damp, like the ends are damp, the roots are a little bit damp. The first thing I always do before I start styling my hair is I use a oil. Now, oh, it matches my shirt. This is Moroccan oil. Be sure you get this from a professional. Don't just, you know, get it from like Walmart because you don't know what you're getting. I'm gonna link it in the description, but I don't buy mine from Amazon. I get mine from a professional store, so just be aware that since this is a professional product, there are knockoffs out there. Now, I use a couple pumps. I use like 2 pumps. It looks like this. Ooh, it's yellow. And then I'm gonna put this on the ends of my hair because I'm very dry and my ends are lightened, so they get dry. I like wanted to be able to see all of my hair in this video, but you still can't see it. It's too long. So we're just gonna work this through the ends. I actually don't even brush my hair that often, you guys. Like, I don't get tangles really, which I know is weird. Like, I know some hair types get really tangly. I don't get tangles. I don't really brush my hair unless I like really need to. So yeah, I just brush it with my hands. And in the shower, I'll use like a wide tooth comb when I have conditioner on. But other than that, I really don't have to brush my hair that often. I try not to heat style my hair every day, which is why I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use my volumizing blow dryer as part of my hair routine and kind of what my day 1 hairstyle is and how I kind of extend that. I'm gonna come back and do more videos about how I deal with not washing my hair every day and how that looks. If you have any questions about that, drop them in the comments. I wanna know how often you wash your hair. I'm curious. I feel like if I had to wash my hair every single day, that would be terrible, because this routine takes me about an hour, I guess, total, but that adds so much time onto my get ready time. Like, I always have to get up extra early when I know I need to wash my hair. Does anyone else do that? So I think that's why I finagled my way around this. When I was a dancer, I would essentially have class all week, so my hair had to be in a bun because I did ballet. I would wash my hair on Fridays, and then I would go out like for the weekend in college and look cute, and then on Sunday night, I would just put my hair up. I would wear it down all weekend, put my hair up on Sunday, and then it was up in a bun Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I would wash it again, because it's like, why would I wash it in the middle of the week if it's just gonna be up? Like, no one can tell it's greasy. Or I can just like throw dry shampoo on it. I don't know, I'm low maintenance, you guys, so that's just how I roll. Now, I've been thinking about cutting my hair lately to something more like mid-length. I just have so much hair, I don't know what to do with it. So if you have any suggestions, Let me hear them. Now once I put the oil in, I put heat protecting spray in. This is one by Aveeno. This is just a drugstore one that I bought while I was traveling these last few months, and I'm gonna continue to use this until it's gone. I'm about halfway empty, but I normally try to use professional grade products, but I'm also not trying to be wasteful, so I'm not gonna not use these ones that I bought just because it's not professional. It does a good job still, and it smells really good. So I'm gonna spray this on my ends. So I'm just getting this all the way to the ends on both sides. This one smells really good though, you guys. Like, even though it's not like a pro product, I think it's a really good drugstore find. Let me know what your like hair type is in the comments. I'm curious. Mine is wavy, but it's like damaged wavy, so the waves never look good, so it's like kind of in between it. If I tried to get it to dry like wavy, it would. Okay, now next step, I dry my hair in layers with my volumizing Revlon Drier. I did review this on YouTube like a year and a half ago, and I'm obsessed with it. A lot of other beauty creators have started using it. I've seen some of their videos. It's a really great blow dryer. Like, I love this. I will never go back to a normal blow dryer because this is so much easier for me. Just gonna get it plugged in. This is what it looks like. It has a thing you can hold up here and controls down here. Now I'm gonna throw some music on over this, or maybe do a little voiceover for you guys because it's gonna be loud, so I apologize. So I'll show you guys how I blow dry in layers to get my hair that like blowout look. My one must have though is these no crease hair ties. I actually give these out in orders to a lot of my customers, but I am obsessed. I have to have these to do my hair with, or else I get like weird lines and stuff. My mirror is over here, so I'm gonna be looking over here while I do this. Okay, so I section it off. You'll see me do this whole thing in layers. I like small layers because I feel like I get better results when I do that. And once that layer is mostly dry, I move on to the next layer, because that makes sense, logic, you know. I will say I find that my hairstyles last like so much longer when I use this blow dryer because it really like seals the cuticle and keeps the hair from getting frizzy, just like a blowout does. Like, it's essentially a blowout but one step. And I'm not good at multitasking. I don't know about, I mean, I am good at multitasking, but I'm not good at the double having to manage a hairbrush and a hair dryer at the same time. Like, I can't live that lifestyle. So I have to have something that's easy and in one step, just like this bad boy. You do have to be careful. You can burn yourself with it because it does get really hot. I feel like I've had it for so long, I've kind of figured out like what works for me and what doesn't. I will say that this process, like the actual blow drying process, takes me not even 10 minutes. Like, I've been filming this video for 13 minutes right now. Like, I know I've sped up some of it and cut some stuff out, but like, you know, this would seriously take me so long if I was using a normal blow dryer. Like, you guys don't even understand how long my hair routine used to be. I remember waking up in high school like at 5 a.m. so I could do my hair and wash it and dry it before school. This is like seriously my favorite part. Like, this is my must-have hair tool. See, I just burned myself, so be careful. I mean, I like to live on the edge. You could totally use like a brush or something, or just don't run your hands through it so fast like I do, but you know. Okay, last layer, and then I'll show you guys how I finish up. And that's it. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is silky smooth, you know, not frizzy at all, has volume to it. This is just my favorite hair technique and my favorite tool. Now the last thing I do is I have this like frizz oil. I mostly just use this because I like how it smells, that I like to take. This is another Alvino one. This is the Oil Mist Deep Hydration Almond Oil Blend. So it smells really, really good. And I spray this on my hands and then I just run it through the ends again, because a lot of that oil from the first oil I put on tends to be gone by the time we get to this step. Not gone necessarily, but it's like soaked in or evaporated or whatever. So we use this on the very ends as a last little oil moment. I don't like to put it near my face too much, but I think this helps to keep it from getting tangled too. I'm not really sure. I just like it. That's just what I do. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, let me know. This is really just part of my weekly routine and something that's like legit just a part of my life. So I wanted to show you guys because I do get a lot of hair care questions. Even though I'm not a hairstylist, I've figured out things that work for me and what doesn't work for me. So I think a lot of it is just trial and error. But I hope this helps you have less trials with errors. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.